am back with another video. Now, in today's video, we're going to be playing some Fidget Spinner Collector. Now, I don't know when the last time I played this was. I don't really know. But I did reset the game because we went on a road trip up to Cleveland, and I showed my friend how to play it. And plus, I don't really care because I can get back there in like 2 months probably. And but hey, that was like probably a month. No, that was probably 3-4 weeks. So yeah, about a month. And plus, guys, my highest is toxic so far. And I am getting radioactive. Oh God, what's happening? It's not giving me Fidget Spinner. Oh God. Oh God, it's not giving me Fidget Spinner. Guys, I'm gonna have to reset this. Oh God, guys, I don't know what's happening. God. All right, guys. I have no idea what's happening. Oh God. Oh God, I know. It's still not. God, why is it doing? Oh, that's just too loud. I don't really like the sound. I just like, I don't know. It's just something to listen to. Oh God. God. Yes, guys, I think it was paused. God, okay, I was like messing with stuff, and I'm getting Fidget Spinners now. What the? God, I think my shirt touched it. God. All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. Ooh, ooh. Oh, guys, it's not working. Here we go. I don't know if this makes a noise. It probably just did. Alright, guys, here we go. Speed mode. No talking, speed mode. Starting now. Yes, guys, 58 gems. Alright, here we go. 390 more, and I can get a rare Fidget Spinner, aka Epic. Guys, to be honest, I forgot I was recording and remembered it. Yeah, that's like quiet speed mode. I just don't say a word. I just go for it. That's how I particularly like to play it. I don't talk, cause then I just like concentrate or whatever. I just feel better playing it like that. I don't really know why. It sounds stupid, guys. All right, take my word for it. Oh my God. God. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Okay, can't do that. Yes, I can do it. God. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Alright, guys, here we go. We're gonna do this. Yes. Yes, alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. God. I guess I'm just gonna let that go like that. Alright, guys, here we go. One more. Ah, dang it, guys. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go. Ah, God. No. I can buy Domino. Yo, what? Yo, what the freak? God, I can't buy it. God. Apparently, I can't buy Dominoes, guys. Alright, guys, that will be it for this video. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Yeah, we will continue this other video. I actually am gonna record another video, but I'm not gonna say what it is. And I will see you all later. Bye.